In this video, I'll guide you through how to make your Steam profile look cool. Personalizing your Steam profile is a great way to stand out, showcase your personality, and make a memorable impression on friends and other players. With just a few simple customizations, you can give your profile a completely fresh look. Let's jump right into the process. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to do that before continuing. Once Steam is running, check whether you're already signed in. If not, click the Sign In button located near the top of the window. When the login page appears, enter your account name and password carefully. Double-check your details to make sure everything is correct. Then click Sign In to access your account. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage, which serves as the central hub for your games, friends, and account settings. Now direct your attention to your profile name near the top of the Steam window. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, then select View My Profile. This takes you to the page that other Steam users see when they visit your profile. Once you're on your profile, click the Edit Profile button. This is where you'll find a variety of customization options that can completely change the appearance of your profile. A great place to start is your avatar, since it's one of the first things people notice. Browse through your available avatars. Choose one that matches your style, and save your changes once you've made your selection. If you'd like even more customization options, visit the Steam Points shop. This is where you can spend Steam points on cosmetic items, such as new avatars and other profile enhancements. If you have enough points available, you can unlock additional designs that help make your profile even more distinctive. After updating your avatar, return to your profile and consider adding an avatar frame for a more polished appearance. Next, customize your profile background by selecting one that matches your favorite games or overall style. Once you've chosen the background you like best, remember to save your changes. You can also personalize your mini profile, which appears when other users hover over your name. Giving it a unique look adds extra personality during chats and community interactions. Finally, take a look at the available profile themes. Choosing a theme that complements your avatar and background helps create a consistent, eye-catching design. The more you personalize these elements, the more your Steam profile will reflect your own gaming style. Steam offers plenty of ways to express yourself, so don't hesitate to experiment until you find a look you really enjoy. And that's it. You now know how to make your Steam profile look cool using Steam's built-in customization features. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!